They say summer is for reinvention, but for me, it's about the reset. A return to softness, a moment to remind myself that beauty doesn't start with a new outfit or a perfectly styled wig. It starts in the quiet act of caring for what's underneath. So today I'm beginning with my hair. I'm using Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate line, shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. One of my absolute favorite collections. It's restorative, intentional, and everything my strands need to feel strong again, like therapy but for my roots. Confidence will not magically appear because it's built in rituals like this, in clean hair, in moisture, and that deep exhale that comes when you know you're finally pouring back into yourself. And once I've taken care of my foundation, I'll be installing one of my favorite wigs from WowAfrican. This is a unit that is as beautiful and effortless as I want this season to feel. This is my summer reset, and it starts right here in the quiet, steamy magic of wash day. So for this video with WowAfrican, think of soft curls, natural edges, and a style that lets you walk out the door with no stress. Let's begin. So this wig is from WowAfrican, and it is part of my summer reset. I want to say it's more than just hair. It is literally how I recenter, protect my piece, and how I show up feeling confident from the inside out. One of my favorite features is that this wig has kinky edges on the unit, and it just makes it look so incredibly natural. It honestly gives the illusion of freshly blown out hair without any heat damage, and we all know how that looks. I love their last one so much. Like when I tell you guys, I wore it on repeat, and I promise you this one will be no different. For this install, I gave myself a little more time. I carefully cut the lace, and even though I don't usually use glue, today I did. I really just wanted to give like a flawless hold. I wrapped it with a headband, and I just let everything set while I prepped the curls. Straight out of the box, the hair was big, which I love, but I wanted something soft and wearable. So I lightly misted the hair with water, I brushed through the curls, and I let them form into this beautiful lived-in texture. So it's still voluminous, but it's effortless. The kind of look that makes you feel put together, even if the rest of the day is just errands and matcha runs. And I really just want to say, for me, this is part of the bigger shift. Slowing down, being intentional, and choosing routines that pour back into me. And honestly, this install helped me feel like myself again. Like sometimes it really is the little things that reset everything. So now it's time to cut the lace, and this is definitely a moment that requires patience. I always take my time here, especially with units like this that already come so well prepped. So I don't rush the process on this portion, and this is part of the reset as well. Slowing down, and again, being super intentional, and just giving myself the time to feel good in my skin and my hair. Once the lace is completely off, I move on to perfecting the hairline. The kinky edges are exactly what make this wig feel like it has grown out of my scalp. I press them gently into place, adjusting it as I go, of course, and later I'll go in with the hot comb to create that flip over look that I love. Soft, effortless, and natural. When I tell you guys, lately life has been a lot. Like since losing my mom, everything's felt a little upside down. But the quiet moments like this, like doing my hair or taking that extra time for myself, have become a part of my healing. It might seem small, but pouring into myself through beauty, through ritual, has done more for my mental health than I've ever expected. And honestly, guys, I am just so grateful for brands like WowAfrican that make this process so much easier. The wig already comes ready to go, full, textured, and styled in a way that doesn't need much energy from me. Oh wait, I cannot believe I almost forgot to mention one of my other favorite features of this wig. So inside, right at the back, there's an invisible adjustable strap. So it's super tucked away, super secure, and when you pull it, it tightens the wig without needing any extra tools or clips. It's one of those little design details that makes a huge difference, especially if you want to wear your hair up in a ponytail or an effortless updo. And yes, they even added baby hairs in the back. Like, what? The attention to detail is honestly unreal. This feature feature makes it so versatile that it's perfect for like the Pilates girls, for the women who need the hair that moves with them and not against them. So you can throw it up in a slick back or keep it down with zero fuss and still feel soft, feminine, and put together. Speaking of effortless, this is how the wig looks with no product. I only used water to brush the curls out, and look at how uniform and defined it is. Tamed but still voluminous. It gives a polished, natural look without needing to layer on mousse, gel, or creams. But you can add mousse if you really want to. Now listen, sometimes a girl just needs to switch it up. So that's one of the reasons why I love this wig so much. The texture is already beautiful on its own. When you want a different look, she delivers. So later on that day, I decided to take it up a notch with some wand curls. I'm using a T3 curling wand, and guys, it is interchangeable, which is honestly one of my favorite features of this curling wand. You get multiple barrel sizes in one tool, and the curls that it creates, chef's kiss. They give that soft twist out look, defined, bouncy, and incredibly natural. So definitely gives effortless beauty, like I just woke up like this, but with a little bit of help. And the best part, the curls will last. So when I do wand curls on this hair, it holds for days. It makes it look so easy to go from everyday natural to a more polished, styled look without stressing your real hair. And might I say it is the little things like this, being able to change it up, feel put together, feel like myself, that keep me grounded. When life feels heavy, I love having small ways to feel beautiful again, and this wig gives me just that. So now I'm gently opening up each curl, strand by strand. Now this part takes a little bit of patience, but it is so worth it. So I take my time and I'm super soft with it because rushing can lead to frizz. And this hair is just way too pretty for that. Once the curls are separated, I go in and I fluff the roots just a little. I want to give it a full voluminous shape. I want to turn heads when I walk into the room, but I still want it to look natural enough to make people wonder. And just like that, she is done. The transformation is complete. Also, I want to mention that all the info on this wig from WowAfrican is linked in my description box in case you're ready for your own summer hair reset. I'm actually heading out for a little drink later, but just something light and cute, maybe with a citrus twist. And I'm so happy my hair is finally done because this is the version of me that I feel the most like myself in. Confident, feminine, a little flirty, and fully in my elements. And at the end of the day, this wasn't just about a wig. It's about showing up for myself, creating rituals that help me feel grounded, beautiful, and reset. This was my summer reset routine, hair care, confidence, and the perfect install. And I hope it inspires you to make time for yours too.
Tell us what you love about the hair.
I love, first of all, the wand curls on this, A1. Like, love, love, love it. Chef's kiss. But no, it's cute. I haven't really worn big hair in a long time, so I'm trying to get used to this. Hello.